Welcome back to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I will show you how to replace the engine air filter on a 2005 Ford Escape. This video applies to Ford Escapes made from 2001 all the way up to 2007. The engine air filter is located in the air filter box, which is right here next to the battery. So to open up the box you have these two clips, so you can unclip those. And now you will see the air filter. It's here inside. Now most likely you can just pull it out through this hole and install the new one. But to get more space so you can clean the inside of the air box, you will want to loosen up this flat screw right here, and that way you'll be able to wiggle off this plastic cover and then get full access to the air box. So yeah, like I said, just loosen it up. So yeah, once this is all nice and loose, you can just pull this rubber hose off. Okay, I'm trying to work with one hand here. So yeah, once this is off, you can remove the old air filter, clean up the inside of this box really good, and install the new air filter and just put the cover back on. And that's pretty much it. Very easy to do on this car. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please like it and subscribe to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel you can find lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.